All right, just a quick update. I'm wrapping up this birthday week with my family in town from Denver and Minneapolis and other places. But I'm here today with my now 14-year-old grandson, Smuckers. Smuckers was my first grandchild, first of 8, soon to be 9. And you've been with us a while now, 14 years. How does that feel?
No different than it did 5 days ago.
How did it feel 5 days ago?
No different than it did 6 days ago.
Well, there you go. Good inspiration. So he just received as a birthday present this lathe. We bought a larger lathe for him a while back, but because he and his family traveled the country in an RV, that lathe was just too heavy, too large. So went on a quest and found him this Penn State Industries PenPal. Really just a lathe for pens or anything that has a through bore, but we think this one's going to suit his needs. But also, one of my viewers named Peter sent him a box, and we've had this for a while, but he's now here and we can open this up. So we're going to treat this as an extension of his birthday. So do you have a knife?
I have fingers and it's not like that hard.
You sure?
Yep, I
Okay. Don't cut yourself, and you know what to cut here?
packaging.
That's a good idea. Oh, cut the shopsman. Oh, there's a lesson ahead. Got it? Oh, first off, it's a cigar box. Nice. So as often happens, my phone's memory was full, so we had to start this over. But Smuckers has opened the box. And what sort of things did you get there from Peter?
Well, it was like a pepper grinder.
Nice. Call it pepper mill.
Pepper mill. A twist pin kit, and a twist pin kit.
Nice.
A honey dipper.
You know what a honey dipper is?
Dip it in honey. It's kind of self-explanatory.
Well, that's one of the 2 definitions of a honey dipper. Is that a wine stopper?
Yeah, a wine stopper.
Okay. And what you do is all of these are things that you turn a wooden part of, and then you join it together. And then some wood blanks, including some zebra wood. That is, you've never turned that. That's acrylic. That'll be fun. It's a good thing you have some carbide tools. And some plywood. So Peter actually sent these to me back when we bought the other lathe, and when it turned out that that wasn't a good fit, I didn't give him this package. So Peter's been patiently awaiting, I think, this moment. But thank you so much for your support. I love passing hobbies like ours on to the next generation, and that's awesome. I like the cigar box too.
How do you even fit all this stuff in? I can't get it back in.
Magically. Whoops.
No wonder there was tape on the lid.
All right, more content coming. Make it a great day.